razor blade.
This is the worst.
Oh, there we go! Dun, 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 dun. We have a skate park! Yes!
Oh, is that what you were doing? You look like a tomato.
Oh, I'm excited.
Your head is red.
My eye is twitching. Do you see it?
Ew, oh, weird!
Oh, it hurts. All right, Nigel, I have a box for you. Can you give that box to Nigel?
No. Hey, Nigel. Do not take this from me right now. Thank you.
This is for you.
This is for me?
Let's go.
Why is this for me?
This is for, well, okay, this is for all of you.
Are we skating?
But it's for a video.
I'm going to need to razor blade.
Come on.
I don't have my
Just
keys.
kick it open.
I got it. We have technology.
What the? Oh my God! Why did you actually get it? We were with Devin. He was Googling some kneeboard stuff, and there was literally like 6 of them. And he was like, "I want that one and that one and that one." Devin's like, "Yeah." And I was like, "There's no way she's gonna let us get those."
I got all of them.
This buffoonery, dog.
So do we put trucks on it?
No, you have these.
It's got like a.
But wait,
it's got like a.
there's
steering
more.
wheel.
Oh, see? What the?
Wait a second.
What does it mean? I don't get it, dude. The seat goes that way.
Do you like? Is that how you do it? No. Wait.
Did you see the posture?
I've seen a lot of bad things in my life, and this is the worst.
So you may be wondering, what exactly is a Racatac? We're gonna find out now.
What's the front?
I'm pretty sure you sit on it like you know. How's it
Should
going?
I go this way? Oh, so this says, if you have long legs, face this side towards the front. So that would be this side
This
towards
way.
the front.
Yeah.
Yeah, and if you have short to average legs, this way. All right. Let's go ahead and just throw that on there.
Nigel, what are we doing with our lives?
I don't know, dude. I don't get it.
Wait, you're already done?
I don't know which way it goes. All right, so I don't know if this is, I feel like it's supposed to go this way because you got the singular wheel up the front, but then those are backwards, like what is the point in the seat? Like, what is this? What do you do?
It's for working on houses. Yes! Here. Look at that! Look at that angle! Alright, you're up first.
On what?
Down the bank.
Down what bank?
The 5-star bank.
Y'all some poop.
Or do you want to go down this one first? There's so many banks.
I need a boost, dog.
Here you go, I got you.
Oh, this is weird.
Turn!
I'm turning. Hey, you're a jerk.
Hold on to the crazy car.
Wait!
Get off those.
Wait, what?
Put that there. Get off those, and you use your hands on the cool wheels.
Let me see.
Oh, you're right! This is evolved! Yes!
This thing it wants to go wherever it wants to. Okay, here we go. It needs to go this way. That's the right way to go.
Are you sure?
Yes.
How do you do it then?
I don't know. Cause look at this. It just. Oh, maybe not.
Maybe use one instead of two.
I have an idea. Oh, this is our best idea ever. Hey, honestly, if you think about it, if you think about it, they're like kind of the same thing. You're gonna go like that? That's so dangerous.
Oh,
Oh, full send, brother.
Full set.
Oh my God! Nailed it.
Get even with me. I was so scared because of that, did not.
Your phone. You got your case? Yeah. Oh, that is sick.
You know my favorite animal. Come on now, dog.
Oh my gosh. I think the way to stay stable on it is to go on all fours.
Mowgli.
Mowgli, give it a shot.
Give it a shot.
Hold on, let me roll in down the ramp real quick.
All right.
Glow, be down there so I can just hang on. Once I roll down, I want to connect it. I want to hold in and then connect.
Wait, other way. There you go.
This is sketch.
Put your knees on there.
All right, I'm gonna try to. So like, I'm gonna go straight towards you and just grab. Once I grab, just take it away. I think. Which way should he go?
Wherever you want. I'm following.
All right, this is hectic. Oh, this is too sketch.
There you
down
go.
This.
Full
oh
send.
My gosh.
Full send.
I need you. Yeah, there. I think this is scarier than going skating the half. Whatever.
Full send.
Here goes.
Oh, there we go. Oh, good save. Why'd you let go?
That was sketchy.
He turned. You weren't gonna fall. You just gotta hold on.
Hey, hit the wall
Come
right.
in, look, you're gonna come in, I'm gonna tell you, and then you're just gonna launch it, and then...
Yeah, start all the way back there by the wall ride.
Should we move the box? That way I don't run into.
No, you'll be fine. Just look. The key is hold it tight. Like if you bend your arms and like.
Could you demonstrate?
No.
I haven't seen you ride it, so you're giving advice. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. All right, here goes.
All right, let's get it. There you go. You're good. You're good. I can't believe you did that.
That was scary. I'm not gonna lie. Hey, someone hold on.
Yo, this is very uncomfortable. You know what it's kind of like? When you're getting towed on a boat. Just hold on.
Got the flag out. Somebody's down. Hey, just let go when I turn.
Oh, yeah! This thing's kind of fun, but it's kind of weird.
I'm gonna try a different technique.
I go.
All right, you ready?
Hold on really tight, Glow. Hold on really tight, Glow.
He did do a 180.
I'm done with that.
Once I saw you going up that, I was like, it's done.
All right, here you go. I have a mission.
I want to see how long I could hold on, like literally hold on until I fall.
Okay.
All right.
So I have another idea too.
After
I think you put your legs in the crazy cart. No, like put them over this bar so you can hook your legs on.
I don't know how that's gonna work with this thing. Once your weight's here, you just fall. That's why I'm pressing down.
Okay, all right.
All right.
So do I go on figure eight?
Just whatever flows you.
Wait, do we have a rope?
Probably yeah.
All right.
You ready?
I'm bracing myself.
Hold on.
I'm gonna do my
This is gonna be
best.
like a rodeo.
Oof.
my God!
That was a good turn, though.
I did.
We did get that one cool.
So Uzi found us this, and let's test it out. See how it works.
I don't think that worked.
I let my guard down for a second.
Do you think we can make it?
I think it worked better when he flung himself. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out! Oh! In a line. Send him on the A-frame. Oh, he's still going! Early grab.
I don't know. I saw Nigel trying this. Like a shove type thing. Uzi? Got anything, Uzi?
Got a board slide down the rail?
This thing is a death trap. Oh no, this is not.
Do you want me to give you a push first?
No, definitely not.
Whoa!
That was crazy.
Are you kidding me?
Okay. Thank God for this.
You're right in the line of fire there, okay? I'm sorry.
I'm out of here.
Why would you put it away? That's your only means of safety right now. Now we're talking.
Wait, why is the wheel like off?
Use your board to board slide it.
No, you do that. You got it. You brought it up. That was your idea.
All right, look. I gotta test the waters. Oh.
Oh yeah, you got it, dude. Oh, you're gonna go up?
Hey, I was scared. I ain't gonna lie. What the heck? That's crazy.
That was it.
That was the best thing I've ever seen. Oh my God. Damn, that was amazing.
Shrek messaged me happy birthday.
What? Let me see.
Shrek. No, so I messaged him back. I said, thank you, Shrek.
You fell so hard.
All right, it's possible.
It is possible. Oh, yes! Oh, there goes the wall. Actually, that's gotta count, right? That was 3 seconds.
Give me like 5 more.
Okay.
Just at the max.
Oh, that's almost it.
If it wasn't for Uzi, I would have never thought about this.
You gonna go down?
Genius.
I think that was cooler. I'm not gonna lie, that was all right. I'll count that.
You want me to ride around?
Nah, that was fine. You rolled away 3 seconds.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
What about the whole rail?
Down then, I mean, flat then down?
I mean, we could see how it works.
Sure. You know, there's actually hope.
I think you can land it.
Indeed. I'm tired.
It was his birthday yesterday. Everyone, if you didn't know, it was Uzi's birthday yesterday. So just tell him what you want. His birthday, you know.
I think the upload, I think this video is gonna be uploaded like 3 weeks ahead of your birthday.
It's all right. If you know the math, 3 weeks from today, but yesterday.
What?
You went into like feeble.
Which one? The board?
I don't know.
That was ignorant.
Why was that ignorant?
It just was.
You ready? All right, right here.
I know, right? You already went up. He almost took his head off last try.
It looks like he's about to die.
Yeah, he is.
For sure.
All right, let's do it.
Oh my.
You gotta go faster to start.
Come on, brother, you got it.
It's right there.
This is blessings. You're gonna land.
So funny.
You can do this.
This is blessings. Okay.
Glow ain't even glow. Glow is the godfather.
God. Just gotta lean forward, dude. Just gotta lean forward.
I know.
What is he?
I don't know.
He's Professor Body.
If you run into me one more time.
You're all over the place with those things.
Exactly. And you are in
control
one
yourself.
place.
Look at you running into me right now.
Let's go!
Got it.
Yes!
I told you he was gonna land at that try.
Glow is the godfather. He blessed me.
Hey, how are you an expert at these things?
That was a Racatac. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you learn how to skateboard. Go to BrailleSkateboarding.com.